This video will cover the topic solving for a variable in terms of other variables using addition or subtraction advanced.
What do you mean by solving for a variable?
Okay, in these types of problems, we will have a linear expression with more than one variable. We are required to solve for one variable in terms of other variables.
Okay, can we do an example?
Sure, let us consider an example. Let us say we have the following expression x equals y minus a plus 8 and say we are required to solve for a.
In this example problem, we have three variables, right?
That is true. The three variables involved in this problem are x, y and a. We are required to solve for a in terms of x and y. The goal is to make sure that the required variable is on one side of the equation. There are different ways to achieve this goal. Let us see one such way. We add the variable a in both sides of the equation. Hence, we get x plus a equals y minus a plus 8 plus a, which implies x plus a equals y plus 8.
Now we subtract x on both sides so that we have a on one side, right?
Excellent. We have to subtract both sides by x so that we solve for a in terms of x and y. We get x plus a minus x equals y plus 8 minus x, which implies a equals y plus 8 minus x. Thus, we have an expression for a in terms of x and y, the other variables. Let us consider another example. Let us say that we have an expression p plus q minus r equals t plus 5 and say we are required to solve for p.
Okay, the goal is to isolate p on one side of the equation, right?
That is right. We subtract q on both sides of the equation while we add r on both sides to get p on the left hand side of the equation. We get p plus q minus r minus q plus r equals t plus 5 minus q plus r, which implies p equals t plus 5 minus q plus r.
Okay, I think I understand the concept. In order to solve for a variable in terms of other variables, we add or subtract variables or constants on both sides of the equation in order to isolate the required variable on one side of the equation.
Perfect.